Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Monday 20th of June. And right now Solana is making some green candles, some relief to the upside, but there's a lot of things that I want to actually talk about. Number one is going to be this sort of neckline right over here. So let me show you that one. Okay, so you do have this resistance over there, so it's going to be resistance one here, second there, and then you have a third resistance right over here. So yes, the green candles are there, but you can see you are meeting resistance. And previously I mentioned that $35 is going to be a huge resistance. If anyhow you actually break that resistance, you go up like this, maybe to $37, and come down for the retest at $34, I'll be taking an entry here. I would love to take an entry right there because I'm looking for that $44 potentially, and that's a technical target out of this potential double bottom that we're putting in for Solana. So from there to there, you might be looking for Sol to go up here to nearly $44, right? So it's all about breaking resistance. Remember, you are still at the resistance. As long as you're not breaking resistance, that's a problem. Now that's the first thing. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is you're having a decision coming very soon on a daily time frame. So let me show you this one. You haven't broke this resistance in a long time. So if I actually bring it like this, look at that, another resistance, isn't it? So previously, just like as I told you, I do remember making updates and I told you decision is coming soon when we were up here like this, and then you broke to the downside. So that was the first decision that actually failed. The second decision, you can see, also failed, and you went to the downside. So again, it's just like a rinse and repeat of this one. So you can see this is going up like this, and also at the same time you're making some sort of an ascending triangle. You can see that. Okay, so that's a very bullish pattern. But the thing is, again, I told you on the 4-hour time frame, break it out, go to 37. Not only are you breaking the double bottom, but you're breaking out this looking support resistance that you never broke out of. Come for the retest, boom, take an entry. Let's write it up. And that's it for today's update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.